Hey, I'm Fish. I'm like a Heinz 57 ketchup. I haven't said that in such a long time. I may make a clip and I may delete it off. I'm happy I got the cancel record. Long press it and confirm it. Well, that's something that maybe DJI should have as well. The videographer photographer's grip bundle kit and separate filters, the lenses for the Insta360H Pro 2. Very hard to get and gotta wait your turn. Once they're out of stock and they become in stock, they go right out real fast. Well, late at night, I saw a video. And yeah, finally, because I said something and there it is, straight out of the camera. But yet, it's really 16:9 aspect ratio and actually what the camera is about. At least it's a start. At least they're being heard and it's being happening. And that's the way it is. Well, if we got a camera, we share the fun, and you're first introducing that camera. Wouldn't that want to be the way you want to do it at the start? To right about here when I walked from here. Wearing a pair of gloves, doing high five. Doesn't work, man, I tell you. Peace don't work. I know over here, and here is the limitation of gesture. Well, maybe making a fist. Choose what we can do with gesture. Always a good thing. Well, we know we got a GPS remote control and a mic remote control. The Ring, is it a remote control for the Ace Pro 2? It's for the Go Ultra. I wonder if it does work for the Ace Pro 2. And does it fit certain individuals' fingers comfortably? Does it open up and expand with the ribbon cable inside that just expands around like a bungee cord on the bottom and not a full ring? Can you attach different pieces to it? That's the questions I got. Is it just a remote? Well, I hold the camera in hand and I don't have myself a tripod grip with the battery on. I don't have it all. I always keep to the basics of a camera for the reasons of, what if they change? And what if they stop allowing you to use that particular product for that camera? Well, we know that DJI Osmo Action 3 doesn't accept the DJI mics. Only on the external mic and receiver. Well, the Action 4 accepted one mic in the camera until you set up another one. And the Action 5 Pro allowed up to 2 mics. And the Action 6 I don't have in hand today when I made this video. Can't do 3 mics because DJI Mic 3 came out with 3. It would be nice to have 3. But, you know, limitations. That's what we have. You can't put the cage on from the Action 5 Pro. I watched this video, man. That guy was great. He said it right out loud. He called the people out, man. If you don't own it and you come to the channel and you say garbage, what do you expect? When you dish, you're gonna get dished. Dissed. I'm on stereo. Did you hear it? Had a nice long talk, nice long share. I gotta go meet up with Joe and take care of Bizwax and set the studio up for a live on the Boya Magic 03, I believe it is. It could be the 05, and the only difference is it doesn't include the tripod mount that was offered back at launch time at a phenomenal price. $103 back then. Now it was at $71. Black Friday sale going on, and the price will probably go back up to $89. One of the best budget mics with artificial intelligence, 40,000 plus scenarios, so it could take out all that noise. Boya Magic Mic 2, and there's 2 others for the smartphones. The Magic is the one I like, and I like to get a receiver and transmitter and use that for my primary camera, which is no more the Sony ZV-1 Mark II for now. It's put to the side, and yeah, I'll grab it and use it and all that good stuff and share the fun. I have to go get it set up and place a couple of mics and cables on and get these cameras going. Normally it takes me about a minute to do. This will take me a couple of days to do. Time for me to go search for some good music that I put on to this YouTube video, and I'll see you on the next one. Catch you later.